Look at me.
Come on.
Scat on Scat crime. We outside. You know what I'm saying? We trying to lock in these two.
Remember, we tried it down.
Oh yeah.
This is the fastest car out here though.
Oh, there you take.
Right, that's it.
Mid muffler delete.
Looks pretty stock.
But it's not. I know it's not.
Let's check yours, bro.
You love funny.
Left there. You said it was stroked out?
That's just not
Yeah, I think it'd be a good race. What you think?
Oh yeah.
You lied or
Oh, he got a
you
K
should
in.
get it off. Ain't not special. I think you should give him a hit. I think you should do a roll.
What y'all gonna race to?
Don't say 100.
Oh my god. So one of us gets out in front, hits the fucking. Just do 40. Do it. Okay.
Let's do like a 40, 130.
Yeah, 40 miles an hour to 130 miles an hour. We'll go. So there ain't no cops. We'll get people scout. I'm right out in front, so nobody.
Cool. I'll let you count.
You gotta do 50 though.
1, 2, 3. Go on
I
the
got
third
a
drop.
passenger, so if you want to have a passenger too.
I don't want nobody to ride with me.
And I got a full trunk. So full interior, full trunk.
Well, I gotta take my car.
Where we going after this?
They said we're going to.
I plan on.
I don't know.
Oh, we was gonna meet up at Poly and then head on the highway after.
They don't got 93 there, so I might.
They don't?
Oh, that's it. That motherfucker right there is bad. Oh, they about to race. Y'all put like 50 bucks on it? Make it fun?
Yeah, that's cool.
Alright, thank you. Anybody want to stop that with me?
Currently built. We're going to be building a grass court with that.
Anybody want to stop it with me?
Stop it.
Yeah, bet on the Warriors shit. Yeah.
He's trying to put a band on that. We put a band on the Scat.
You gonna bet on this?
You bet on this?
No.
You got it. Make that burn.
That Scat versus this Scat right here. Look at money. Look at me. Yeah, we about to meet up at Pilot. Alright, I gotta make it out of here. No kids, we about to hit Pilot. This nigga's car is not starting. Do you hear this shit? Do you hear this shit? That bitch did not want to just start this now, boy. Not gonna lie, this might be easy money. Yo, we finna go to Pilot, they about to race.
Y'all finna go race?
There's hella cars around me, I can't even move. This shit, I already know how this shit finna go, but y'all about to see how this finna go. Alright, so yeah, we on the way to this gas station about to link everybody up so we can head on the highway to Mexico and goddamn get this race going. But bro has been talking like, I don't know, bruh is telling two different stories. He told me his shit was a 427 struggle with a 120 shot. And then he was talking about some, you know, where some E85 is at. Because bruh is on the E85 right now. And then he's telling a homeboy bone stop. Which any nigga that raised knows. A nigga, what the fuck is the point of lying about mods you don't have? That is the dumbest shit to lie about in racing, bro. Mods you don't have? Like, what are you gaining? What are you gaining? Like, even if you trying to brag, bro, if you end up not having that shit, you just look like a dud. Like, you don't even want to tell, like, then you just losing out on races. Like, pure L racer, bro. So I already know how this gonna go. I ain't trying to talk shit about bro, but you just know how this finna go, bro. You failing the basics of racing. You don't tell a nigga what the fuck you got done, bro. For my young niggas, bro, do not tell these niggas, don't go to no meets. You trying to win money on these races, bro. Don't go to these meets talking about some everything you got done in your wheel, cause nigga's not gonna run a race you or he's gonna fucking embarrass your ass. Either way, you're an L. Like a whole L. This gas station don't got 93. And I'm pretty sure bruh's finna fill up right here. Man, just stay tuned, bro. This shit is funny. This shit is funny as fuck. That boy about to lock in.
Oh, yeah. He said he got that 427. We don't see.
He ain't got no goddamn phone.
He ain't got long tubes on it.
Huh?
He ain't got tubes on it.
It did it? It look stock. Yeah, that shit did look bone stock. Best in bone stock.
He ain't got no long tubes.
Like, why the fuck? What is the point of lying about what you got? He
could at least
now he finna look like a dud.
I ain't.
Like, why would you tell people you got all that shit done and knowing you bone stock?
He filling up too.
Bro, and this guy said he only got 93, so he's finna get an even more ass whooping. Cause he's on 91. You on 93? You put 93 in your. So he even on worse gas now. Like, this shit over with. This nigga about to get a free fill up on gas.
I ain't gonna say it. I'm finna jump that hole.
He finna get a free full tank. These two need to go ahead and get their race done. Alright, we about to roll out now. Everybody got gas now, bro. Nobody should run out of fucking gas. Woo! Mexico night, boy. And I get to see my girlfriend after this. Woo! Hell is you doing, boy? Free my nigga Tree. We're doing a happy dance because you about to get a dub today. There's so many Chargers and Challengers, bro. I don't even be knowing if they police or not, bro. I ain't shifted this bit hard as fuck in a minute. I hope I still got it. fucking go? That boy love his ass. That boy love his ass. I know he sit with the girl in the fucking passenger seat. Hell no. Oh my God. You tried to get another one. You lost, boy. These niggas slowed down to 30 something on the highway, bro. Built up hella traffic. I know somebody called the police on that ass. Are they finna race again? Wanna do a 50? God, I was spinning, boy. Huh? We be coming here all the time, I ain't gonna lie. Yeah, this the E85 station. That's why we come here. This where all the fast cars be meeting up.
The white one in?
No, the champ? Yeah, the white one. This.
Shit, I got good video, but shit, you know, I can't.
Oh, you was right behind us?
Hell yeah.
Yeah, you gotta send me them bitches. Oh. Probably because he always switching fuels. Shit mixed with hella shit. What's going on, man? We on the way back from the meet. The meet is over, but you know what I'm saying? And yeah, bro, what I said, bro, the white challenger was gonna do, bro, because apparently he has a built. Bro, I know what I heard, bro. He told everybody else this nigga would stop and shit. Bro was definitely. He was stopped, but he told me he had so much other shit on it. I don't know why. First day he was on 120 shot, then he talking about he was on E. Like, bro just lying out his ass, bro. And I think he was doing it because the girl's there. And he probably told his girl a bunch of bullshit about his car. Like, yeah, man, my shit be Hellcat. Boy, I just got gout by another Scat, boy. like, what is the point of lying? Why are you lying? You feel me? Like, you could have been a cool guy, but you had to lie. Just tell me what you got on your car, and that's it, bro. We all saw your engine bay. That shit was stock. Stock by 427 stroker. .27 stroker in E85. You get capped by a Scat that's on 93.
Moral of the story, guys, don't lie about your mods, cause now this nigga known as Dud Boy, Dud Charger Boy.